In 2.5 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy will collide with the Milky Way, and astronomers just discovered something that changes everything. New data from the James Webb Space Telescope shows Andromeda is moving 30% faster than previous calculations suggested, meaning the collision timeline might compress by hundreds of millions of years. But here's what NASA hasn't publicly emphasized: gravitational simulations reveal the galactic cores won't merge cleanly. Instead, they'll phase through each other in a chaotic three-body interaction that defies standard collision models. Stars won't actually hit each other, space is too vast, but the shear forces will rip both galaxies into unrecognizable streams. Our solar system sits in the Milky Way's outer disk, directly in Andromeda's incoming trajectory. We won't survive the encounter unchanged. If you want to understand what's coming for our cosmic neighborhood, hit subscribe for the discoveries there's